Okay, so this is the Zenit ET that we have. So this is the front, the side, the other side, the top, the downside. So let me show you the features. But let's put down let me show you the back. So this is the back end. Seems okay. Let me demonstrate the shutter speeds. Let's go to bulk mode. There's a part we dropped out, this one. I'm not sure what happened, but now when I wind it, this one does not wind together, but it still can fire. Put 30x 60 125 500. So all the shutter speed works. Self-timer. The light meter works. You can see the needle here. And as I tune up the light here, see, it moves. So it works. As for additional functions, okay, one thing I noticed is this film counter thing. So example, if I put now at 0, slightly inaccurate there. 4, and now it's 6 already. So you need to tune it back. So the film counter is not very accurate. Now it's less than 5. Yeah, so it's not very accurate. The film counter is not accurate. This unit, I think it needs some small servicing in terms of the film transport, but I'm not sure how small or how big the service needs to be, because this one just fell out just now, and now when I wind it, it does not turn together this side. So I need to get this checked out. So I'm selling it as it is at a big discount. Thanks.